Hello there. Just got back from town and I bought my regular shopping, plus I bought some things to make for my new modified coconut cocktail drink. Now I'm going to show you the ingredients that I'm going to be using. This is a dairy-free, I believe it's dairy-free coconut milk I bought from Sainsbury's. This I bought from coconut liqueur, Joseph Cartron Cocody coconut liqueur. I bought that from Spiritly UK online. And of course, Malibu, I'm going to add Malibu. Plus, this is a new addition I'm going to add. I'm going to add Greek coconut yogurt, as they say in America. And I'm going to add, this is a new addition I'm going to also be adding, is carnation caramel. So I've never added caramel to coconut liqueur before, but I think it should mix because there are chocolates such as Bounty. There's a coconut English chocolate, which is basically, what do you call it? Well, they used to have another, actually, sorry, they used to have a chocolate bar called Cabana that had milk chocolate, caramel, and coconut and cherries. So I think coconut and caramel should be okay. So once again, this is a new addition. So hopefully it'll turn out okay. I'm going to be adding, as I mentioned, coconut yogurt in there. So hopefully that will be a good mix. I'll find out in the next couple of days. So, all right, thank you. Bye.